Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech AI. Today I'm going to show you how to check your PC specs in Windows 10. Let's dive in. Method 1. Use the Settings app. When the Settings window opens, click the System option in the top left corner. Scroll down the list on the left-hand side and select About. Look in the Device Specifications section for useful information about your processor, installed RAM, and system type, 64-bit or 32-bit. Scroll down to the Windows Specifications section. Here you'll see details of your Windows edition, version, and build, along with the date the last feature update was last installed. Click the Copy button so you can paste them into a document or email. Method 2. View System Information. Start typing System Information into the Windows search box and click System Information at the top of the results. The System Information panel will now open and display a system summary in the right-hand side of the window. This provides lots of useful information about your PC specs, including your processor, motherboard, and available memory, both physical and virtual. To get even more technical info, click an option in the left-hand side of the window to open its tree of further options. For example, select Components, then Network, and Adapter for information about your internet connection, including your adapter type, IP address, device drivers, and much more. To view details of all the drivers installed on your PC, open the Software Environment tree and click System Drivers. This lists every driver and provides details of its location, what it does, and whether it's running, among other information. Method 3. Use the command prompt. Press the Windows key and R to open the Run box, then type CMD and either click OK or press Enter. When the command prompt window opens, type System Info and press Enter to display a list of your PC specs. This includes such useful details about your PC's registered owner, system model, memory, language and time zone, and network information. To copy the list of specs into a document or email, press Ctrl and A on your keyboard to highlight everything in the command prompt window, then press Ctrl and C. Press Ctrl and V to paste the specs elsewhere so you can save, print, and share them. That's all. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials. See you next time.